How's it going, everyone? Mike here with April 10th, Merch by Amazon sales update. Uh, Basically, it's been steady, I guess. Steady is the word that comes to mind. As you can see here, 10 sales in the U.S. and 2 sales in Germany for the total of 12 sales. Now, this is slightly above average for the month, meaning daily average for this month, and that's a good feeling. So 12 sales. If I could get 12 sales every single day, I would be happy. Of course, we're going for more and as many as possible, but this is where I was on the 10th. Now, I was just looking at these products before I started recording, and these 2 shirts that you can see here that sold 7 in total are not new. These are I've had them listed for a while. This one has been selling regularly. I definitely get at least one a day. As you can see, there are days where I get 4 or 5, sometimes even actually more of that one. But this one has recently started to pick up more, and that's nice because I'm seeing regular sales come in for this specific shirt, and I'm just thinking it might be the theme. It's getting warmer. It's kind of like a summery travel design, and not that people wouldn't buy this throughout the year, and they have been, but I think it's just selling more. I guess, like I said, as it gets warmer. As you can see here, again, these are U.S. numbers, $187.90 in total sales for the royalties of $43.22. And again, this is the one thing that I like to look at, and royalties per sale are kind of where I want them to be. So this is actually perfect for Merch by Amazon. On Etsy, if I don't run a sale, and I mean like a discount sale, which is kind of incorporated into my plan, royalties are over $6 with every single sale, and it's still, for example, I'm still offering free shipping, and the cost of a t-shirt is $19.99, and still there's that much room to play with. So anyways, let's keep talking about merch here. Let's see where that brings us for the week and the month. So 61 items is the last 7 days total, which I think by the end of the day it's going to creep up. So I'm recording this on the 11th. It's been a bit of a slower day. I have 6 sales in total, but again, it's not the end of the day, so we'll see where I end up, but it's been definitely a slow one. I'm just hitting $300 in royalties for this month, and again, 10 days in. So like I said in yesterday's video, if it continues at this pace, I'll definitely hit another $1,000 month, $1,000 in royalties across all marketplaces, and then 82 total sales for this month, and that's including these 4. So I guess I'm at 78 as of April 10th. So let's see. Let's actually just do a quick report here, I guess, on the 10th, 1st to 10th, across all marketplaces, and this will tell us so 90 sales for the month across all the marketplaces. And as you can see here, even doing a quick math, it's somewhere around probably $1,600 in sales, and over what would that be, 300 and probably $20 or $30 in royalties. So again, nothing crazy so far. If we're looking at this 90, that means that my new daily average is 9 compared to 10 or 11 last month. So I'm still in that area. I think it's going to be a good month. Usually April does slow down, but basically the conclusion is, at this point, looking at these 10 days, it's basically just where I expected it to be, and there's no huge difference between March and April. Anyways, I'm going to leave it at that. As always, thanks for watching, guys. If you have any comments or anything you want to ask, you know where to leave them, and I'll see you soon.